I messed up her hair. I gotta redo it now.
Monday to Monday, Sunday to Sunday, you know I'm street running. I got my peaches out in Georgia, oh yeah shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my trip up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah that's it. And I see you, way I breathe you.
What's up YouTube, it's Nsights of CNB and I'm back with another video. So in this video you're gonna see me enjoy my weekend. And so yeah, that's it. And also I'm about to go shopping for some shoes. So come along with me and see y'all later. This is my first time doing my baby sister hair and I actually did it, I think, pretty decently. Kenzie, you like your hair? Alright. I had me some Vaseline, my mask, my pouch, and 2 jackets because I don't know how cold it's gonna get and I don't want to get cold. And yeah, I got my new Crocs on.
It's November, it's far away. Way out of state. Anywhere, baby. You remember I ain't have a thing. You know why? Okay, let's do this. I've been got so hard getting to this money. I've been working like hell on the jobs coming. Monday to Monday, Sunday to Sunday, you know I'm street running. I want you to believe.
So my mom just started to go to the restroom and yeah, this is a nice park. I remember going here when we went to the football championship.
You to dream. I want you to dream.
I messed up her hair. I gotta redo it now.
That don't make no sense.
It's the before. You like it?
What your man said?
I'm about to see if I can find something I like out of here. The Endless Weekend, the lotion, and the perfume. I'm about to take this stuff back to the car that we got from Bath and Body Works.
Not talking about 50 million colors.
I didn't find any shoes yet. I'm about to order the KFC Beyond Fried Chicken. I just got the KFC Beyond Fried Chicken and now I'm about to open it up. So let's get it. Hold on. This is how it looks. And now I'm about to try it. So I have the barbecue sauce to go with it. Okay. It's good. It tastes like a mix of like Wendy's but fried, more fried. So I rate the Beyond Fried Chicken from KFC's an 8.5, and this is why. So it came with this medium drink, and I got a fruit punch, and it was good. And it came with the 6-piece fried chicken, plant-based meat. And so it was pretty good. I didn't even know it came with that many, and it actually got me full. I didn't even eat the rest of my 2 of them because I got full from eating 4 of them. But other than that, it didn't come with a biscuit also. The meal didn't come with a biscuit. That's the only thing that deducted a point from it. But yeah, it was good, and I think you should try it. So let me know how you like it, and yeah. So now we in Buc-ee's. So now I'm about to order my mom some fries right now, and I'm about to show y'all how it looks. That's it. So here you check out after you get everything you want. We just found these letters for our restroom and we're gonna paint them to match the decor. I film in the store that I what shoes I got, but I have the PG vibes and here they are. And I'm so glad I finally got these because I've been wanting some basketball shoes and needing some for a while. And here they are. And my favorite part about it was the design and also the ankle support and how it looks when I put it on. So yeah, these are the shoes I got out of the mall. Hey y'all, I'm back home and now I'm about to blow dry my hair because I'm getting it did tomorrow. I'm getting some braids. My sister about to teach me how to do it real quick. So here you go. Okay. Y'all, I'm not a professional, so if I do something wrong, please don't come for me in these comments. Please don't come for her. Okay.
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can
This is the beauty set that we're gonna use for this. It's called Silk Elements. So let's shake this. So like shake this. Shake lot. You wanna get like every This smell good actually. This is my first time using it. It smells good. And you, Nicole, when you do it, like try to spray like at least every strand you can get. Okay. This is the blow dry we're gonna be using. Alright, and it has the hot and the cold and in between sections. So we're gonna start off with her hair. And let me to section. I need to try it out.
Baby, I know all your secrets, but you tell me stupid lies. Oh, you think you can escape now and got it all just figured out. You can fake it through the ceiling to the rooftops while I'm leaving. You're my greatest mistake. Greatest mistake.
Okay, this is her twist. In the morning, all she gotta do is just take her hair out and it'll be stretched out and everything. And she'll have a cute little twist out for like, till she wake up and until they do her hair. Yep. So this is the part where I do the twist on my own and show you all how I do it since I'm so far out now. I'm about to wrap it up so I can get in the shower. So I have my bunny with me. And here it goes. I put it in a bun in the back like that. And I'm about to put the bonnet on so I can get ready to get in the shower and go to bed. So now it's Sunday, January 16th, and this is the day I'm about to get my hair done. Good morning. So now I'm about to undo my twist and see how they came out, and let's see if they're stretched or not. think I finished taking out all of my hair and all of the twists. So this is how it looks after I stretched it out. Hey, so also I want to document my hair growth journey. And so this is my hair. This is the back of it, and this is how long it is now. You can't, I should have wore a white shirt, but this is where it stops now, towards the back, because this is a back piece of it. And it's like right here. So it's getting really long, but I've been natural for 2 years. Let me show y'all the back of it real quick, because that was my favorite part, the back, when I shook it. It looks very healthy. And yeah, that's it. So while I'm waiting to get my hair did, I'm just gonna catch up on some AP Human homework. So I have to write these 77 vocabulary words to get some credit for some work, because we have these unit exams coming up, and I have to take mine on Friday or Thursday. So these are the words we do for every exam we take.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah. See what it is. Yeah. Yeah, I got the pussy in my hair. Spin the band. In the sand. With the hair. Yeah. She give a cat. Yeah. Hey y'all, so I just got back home and this is my hair. I just got it finished. It took like 3 hours, and that's not really long. It really didn't take that long to finish, but I decided to get pink and like the skunk stripe inspired look, and in the back is pink also. So yeah, and I got pink on my right side because I didn't want to get on both sides, but I did get it in the back. But that's how my hair looks, so I really like it. And so now it's time for quote of the video. Quote of the video. Hey, oh, hey, oh. Quote of the video. Quote of the video. Let's go. And deep in my heart, the answer, it was with me. And I made up my mind to define my own destiny. Lauren Hill. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, peace out, crew. Mwah.